What is up, my home dudes? We are back with another video, and we are going to guess what? We are eating pizza. It's really old.
No, it's not
He,
really old.
he has pineapple, ham, and bacon. No, not yet. And I have regular cheese. So we're gonna be eating this, and let's see what we're doing. Let's see what his reaction is. Go.
I go down.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah. Take a good old bite. What's your reaction? Okay, while he's eating, I'm gonna go like. Not bad.
That was good.
Not really bad, but not yet, Junior. But really good. So, Richard didn't eat cookies. So, and it's been cold in for 3 days. If I make a video that says I am sick, it's with this. Nope. But I hope you guys had a great night. If you guys like pizza from 3 days old and cookies, I'll give y'all a slice of cold pizza. Hope you guys have a great day. Hope y'all like the pizza.